Hey guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Lyft ride, and the rides are like a scheduled ride and just book ride or any type of ride you want to cancel and you want to modify your ride. You are at a right place. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel and modify your Lyft ride. So let's get started.
Cancel a LYFT ride you just booked. Launch the LYFT app and select Edit Ride from the bottom left corner. Tap Cancel Ride. Confirm the cancellation by clicking the red words Cancel Ride. And you are done. Method 2. For LYFT passenger cancel a scheduled ride. Go to the calendar on the top right of the screen in the LYFT app. Find and tap on Cancel Ride. Confirm the cancellation. Passengers won't have to pay a fee if the ride is cancelled at least an hour before the scheduled pickup. And you are done.
By using this method, you can easily cancel your Lyft ride and you can easily modify your Lyft ride. And hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.